This 2011 Nissan Versa sedan is located in Conyers, Georgia and has 16,049 miles on it. This sedan has a beautiful brilliant silver exterior paint color which is complemented by a black interior color. This vehicle features 3-point rear seat belts, adjustable headrests, air conditioning, airbag deactivation, and many other features. For more information on this great sedan, please click the link below.